Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See here, a motorboat whose speed is 20 kilometers per hour still in the water and takes 1 hour more to go 48 kilometers upstream than return to the downstream, to the same spot. So we need to find the speed of the stream. So here, the upstream speed plus downstream speed is 1 hour, which is equals to 1. So let x be the speed of the stream, and then find the speed of the upstream and downstream separately and equate those two speeds to 1 and solve for x. We know that speed is equals to a distance by time. See here, the motorboat whose speed is 20 kilometer per hour, so speed is 1, and it's in the water. It takes 1 hour more to go 48 kilometers upstream. So upstream becomes 48 divided by 20 minus x, and the downstream becomes 48 divided by 20 plus x. So which is equals to 1. So now equate these two equations, I mean upstream and downstream equations, to 1. So 48 divided by 20 minus x plus 48 divided by, minus 48 divided by 20 plus x is equals to 1. So now equate both. So take LCD and equate. So we'll get 48 into 20 plus x minus 48 into 20 minus x divided by 20 minus x into 20 plus x equals to 1. So if you move that to right hand side, we'll get 48 into, so we have 48 common in the numerator, so take out 40. So 20 plus x minus 20 plus x equals to, if you move the denominator to the right hand side, we'll get 20 minus x into 20 plus x. Now simplify this. 20 minus 20 cancels out, and x plus x becomes 2x. So 48 into 2x is equals to 20 minus x, 20 plus x becomes a square minus b square formula. So 400 minus x square, and 48 into 2x becomes 96x is equals to 400 minus x square. If you move all the terms to one side, we'll get x square plus 96x minus 400 equals to 0. Now find the factors of this equation. So we'll get x plus 100 into x minus 4 equals to 0, and solve for x now. So we'll get x plus 100 is equals to 0, and x minus 4 equals to 0. So which means x is equals to minus 100, which is negative 100, and another value of x is equals to 4. So speed is always the positive value, so just neglect the negative value, which is x is equals to minus 100 won't apply here, because the speed is referred as always positive. So we can conclude that the speed of the stream is 4 kilometers per hour. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.